So let me show you this village town. On this side we do see the houses where the locals still live. Over there we do have some kids. Ni hao. And of course, this being an actual village is free to visit. You do not need a ticket. I am really truly in love with such type of graphics and designs on the walls because they do remind me of many cities in Europe. It's becoming so common to make such paintings. And the thing about this village is that they do have the English translation for almost everything, which is not so common in China. So they are trying to make it super friendly for tourists. So you know guys, I do not really speak Chinese. I'm trying to learn a few words. And I do believe that this might be for the Chinese New Year, because that's the year of the rabbit. And by the way, I thought I was a dragon. And instead, when we actually checked the official Chinese calendar, I found out that I'm a rabbit. When I see ancient stuff, I always think about my country, Italy. I just reached the village temple with the village monk. Ni hao. Nice to meet you. Hello. That's as much English as we can get today. I can go inside. Oh. Kai? Kai? Oh, thank you. Kai means allowed. Here we are. Very pretty. Every time somebody comments on my videos that religion is forbidden in China, I do end up in such a places. And maybe I will get comments, yeah, religion is allowed because you are in a village or something. But guys, come on. It will be much easier to shut it down in a village than in a city where they can hide and pray between themselves and so on and so on and so on. And now I will get comments that they are just actors with a green screen. Ni hao. Hello, how are you? Ni hao. Hi.
Hey, 你好，请坐，请坐。
Maggio. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
I want to know where are you come from?
I'm from Italy. Italy.
Italy.
我们中国人称为朋友，对对对。
Is that Italy is good? Or?
Italy. They say we are all friends.
Oh, nice to meet you.
朋友们就是最好的简称了噻，对对对。你是中国别人，我们中国人就是说哪个来就是叫朋友了。
Yes. Everyone came to China, we call it friends.
Okay, sure. And this is like a bar, restaurant, or like a Maggia table, or what is this?
It is play mahjong, and people will always drink tea here.
Okay. So this is a local village bar or restaurant. Can you ask them if they come here every day or?
你们来这里一般都是做些啥子啊？
对了，对，休息，好嘛？中国传统文化，哎，中国传统文化，吹了，从满龙门站。
Very nice. Very good. Okay. And do they drink? Can you ask them if they prefer to drink tea in the morning and beer in the evening, or they just drink tea?
你们一般是喜欢早上喝茶呀，还是晚上喝茶呀，还是想喝的时候随时都喝呀？
一般来说，最适合是上午喝茶，下午就回去做啥子事。
And morning is the best time to drink tea for them because they will come back for their work in the afternoon.
Okay. And what kind of jobs do they have in this area?
你们一般是做啥子工作呀？
我们退了休，休的休息，他就是今天是礼拜，他们还在上班的在休息，我们是退了休，你懂了吧？
他们上班上啥子班嘛？
他们是农村上班。
Some of them have been retired,
yes.
And the others will work for the land.
For the land? So they are like farmers?
Yes, farmers.
Okay. Perfect. Xie. Nice to meet you.
没事，好，欢迎上来，欢迎我们中国。
中国。谢谢，拜拜。Thank you. See you. 拜拜。Perfect. Thank you so much. Do you want to tell to the camera who you are?
I'm Huang Li. I'm come from Wushan County in Chongqing. Welcome friends to come to Chongqing to have a visit, to enjoy the time here.
Wait, spell your name for the audience.
Huang Li.
Huang Li.
Yes,
Huang Li.
Huang.
Okay.
黄飞鸿的黄.
Perfect. 谢谢. And thank you so much for doing this translation because it was really, really helpful. And oh my gosh, there are even more people playing Mahjong over here. Ni hao. Wow. Hello. Ni hao. Oh man. The table is at the money. Hey, ni hao. Hi. Wow. And then there is another type of card game. I've never seen the cards being so long in the past. So we did learn two types of games, Mahjong and ciao. They are very, very different. Mahjong, look at this automatic table, it slides up.
娱乐性很好。
Very good. Okay. And then it's ciao. Okay, 谢谢. Bye bye. Oh, I don't smoke. Sorry, I know it's bad to refuse cigarettes. I'm really sorry. So tell him that I'm really sorry that I know it's bad, but to refuse. 谢谢. Thank you. Oh my gosh. This entire village is full of retired men playing cards everywhere. So cool. We do get more canteens, more restaurants of elderly people. So beautiful. Anyhow, oh, how are you? I can. Hey, where? Hello. Ni hao. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Chai. Okay. Nice hat. I really like. Hello. Ni hao. I feel like I'm here with my grandpa and my grandpa's grandpa. Unbelievable. He was a teacher before retiring. What about him?
你原来是做啥子的呀，爷爷？
教师那是，
你呀？
我是车工厂里面的。
Work for a factory.
Factory. Okay. Good.
好，再见。
Very good. Okay. 谢谢. How do I say nice to meet you? How do I say nice to meet you?
很高兴遇见你。很高兴遇见你。
很高兴遇见你。
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye. Hello.
拜拜，少爷。
Bye bye. Wow. Guys, check out this hairdresser here. Local village barber. Here are all the instruments. Oh my gosh. Unfortunately I don't have the time, but I would love to get a haircut. Anyhow, can you ask him how much is for the haircut?
爷爷，你那个剪头发好多钱呢？
剪片10块。
4块10元。
10 yuan for a haircut.
Yes.
Do we have time?
Do have time.
For your haircut?
Yeah.
We don't.
We don't.
But it will be valuable for your 10 yuan for the haircut.
I
right?
know. Can he just do something quick?
可不可以帮他剪哈？
Just shorter here on the side. Just
把
shorter.
两边剪短推。
我现在不得空。
Just 一点点 shorter.
He has no time.
He has no time.
Yeah.
门10啊，门60要去吃饭。
We
What
will go
up?
to have a lunch.
Oh, what if I give him 3 times the price? 5 times, 50 块 instead of 10.
15分钟就可以了。
不行，我马上就对他的打电话。
He goes to lunch.
打电话都要马上。
Okay, 谢谢.
好的。
No problem. Money doesn't matter in China. No capitalism
I think
here.
that's a true testament, like what I mentioned to you. He said like his friend is asking him to go to lunch.
Guys, this is a life lesson. Friends are more important than money. Sometimes, often, probably every day. But anyway. Nice head.
对我们评价
Oh, hello.
对我们评价好，
Hey,
对我们有些人民的评价也好了。
Maja everywhere. So I found a less fancy hairdresser, 5 yuan. Ni hao. 5 yuan cut. Less than $1. Oh, ni hao. Do you cut? Oh. Jeez. Can you cut just here? Guys, can you get me the girl to translate something just very quickly? Okay, can you come?
I got you.
Yeah, just ask her if she can do just the side.
Only this side?
Only this, because I need this shorter. Only this part. Yeah.
Only not this one? Only this one.
Only this side. Yes. Can,
啊，那个他就想修头发，就把他这边然后修短一点。back?
No.
到底不懂。
No. I just need just this part. Just this part.
Yeah. 头顶不懂，然后就是这一块给他推短一
Can she
点。
do it right now? Like-
胡子也是喜欢。
No.
OK，
I
就
don't.
这
We
样
don't have
就
time,
这样
unfortunately.
他因为他要很快，因为我们不是往前走嘛，他就想体验一下，然后就该给您钱啊，然后就把这儿推短就行了，相当于其他地儿都不动，就不，就这一侧，就这边，
Because this part you see is coming out.
这边不用推，就推这一边。OK，
She can do it.
OK
Oh, okay.
可以编的。
We got the fanciest haircut in
就
town.
推一边，对，就这边。
一边儿是吧？
对。
Just here. You see this part is coming out?
扁点都行。
That's what we need. Oh.
感受一下我们。
Oh, fine. Oh, nice.
把以前的形状稍微剪短一点点。
She's choking me a bit. But wait.
单边
Okay.
他就这一块，相当于他这边都不动。
Yeah, do it. Okay. Let's go for the 5 yuan
喜
haircut.
欢编的是哈。
Let her play. Doesn't matter. If my ear gets destroyed, I will fix them. But if not, it's a great deal. $1. Actually, less than $1 haircut. Not even in Africa I got for less than $1. And we got such a scenery over here. Famous vloggers filming me.
Watching. Quite a few people.
I'm like the animal in the savannah. This is a documentary shot. Oh,
Maybe he's doing live streaming. He can earn 5,000.
I should be doing a live stream 100%. Beautiful. Let's see how it looks. What matters the most is this part. This part is just the fade. It's okay, but just in the end, not fully short, just a bit longer.
还去短点儿的意思。
Oh, she's doing a nice job.
哎，玉纯，哎，Hello。
Wow.
啊，
Very good. I'm surprised.
好的。然后这边有个公众。
Imagine all the old villagers having the craziest haircuts ever. Fades, lines.
OK，好的，没问题。
Wow.
OK，明白啊。好的。
I just need the fade to look good in video, guys. Maybe we can do it on the other side. Too.
We are coming for a 5 RMB haircut.
Unbelievable. 5 RMB.
5 RMB for this haircut. How's the quality?
I think it looks great. Let her do it.
真的吗？
No, yeah, for the 5 yuan, I mean, it's amazing.
Still want somewhere else?
他说的是什么？他说的什么？
啊，OK 了吗？
The top, no. Just, can she try to make it just a bit here a bit more?
OK here right？
Yeah, to fix this line.
对
Yeah,
对，
yeah.
这儿再给它推一推。
还真点哈。
对
line.
对，推。
Let her fix the line just at the end. Let's see what happens. We get one side shade and the other no. Whatever happens. 5 yuan.
哎，那后面不用剪太多，那后面不要剪太多。
What is her name? What's her name?
你叫什么名字？娘娘
我姓陈，
叫陈啥子？
陈文玉。
陈文玉。
And
Hey.
was she born here?
pardon？
Was she born here? Like, did she live?
您是在当地就在雍西生的吗？
是。
对 ，yes。
And what about her parents? Everybody's from this area or from other parts of China?
You mean her customers?
Yeah, no, her parents, the family.
Parents. OK。您的父
娘，我们整个的形状就是那个推下去都行了哈。
就现在那边也要请个推了。
不，就这儿，就这边，就这儿。
就现在合适嘛？
An interview.
应该合适。
Just can you just this part 一点点，一点点，一点点，just a bit short，一点点。
哈哈。
We just need a little bit of short
但是
part.
您的父母也是，就是也是在雍西的吗？
哎。
Yes. Her parents also like born in Yongxi.
Okay, and does she has a husband? Like, is the husband a farmer? Because I met everybody here is a farmer. Is the family farming or? Okay.
Is your hair okay? Or?
Yeah, we no problem. No.
Okay. 他说您是，他有点八卦。他说您结婚了吗？
结婚了。
他说这边的人主要都是种田吗？还是干嘛
60。
你60岁啊，完全看不出来，感觉像45。
60了。
She's like 60 years old. Yeah, she's
60 years old. She looks much younger.
他说您看起来
Very good.
太年轻了。
Very good. Okay. I think maybe we can go. Wow.
And she's 60 years old, so he's asking all the right questions while getting a nice fine R&B haircut.
The
How many
famous
relationships
Lizzie.
have you had?
The famous Lizzie behind us.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, I think it's much better.
Yeah.
Kyla.
Okay.
Okay.
Very nice.
I think we're good. We just need to decide at the end.
Brand new man.
She accepts WeChat or I have to pay in cash?
微信可以吗？
微信可以。
可以。
可以?
WeChat you
Or
can also pay in time.
Tell her if she prefers. Ask her if she prefers cash or WeChat.
现金或者是那个微信哪个您更喜欢？
随便拿。
都行。Anyway.
No, what is better for her?
She says like either.
Either.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you even have 5 yuan?
I have.
Wow. You have like we actually don't own cash now.
Where is it? I have money somewhere. Just have to find them. Otherwise, I will give her WeChat. The cash.
Yeah.
Somewhere I have. If not, WeChat.
Yeah, if not, you will stay in here doing labor.
No, I will work here my entire life.
啊？不拿钱不行的。
他说他的妈妈是那个奶奶，说可以不给钱。
不可以
Okay.
她是您的妈妈是吗？
不可以，不可以，要给钱。
That is like her mother.
谢，要不动动。
No. Okay.
啊。
Here.
不给钱。
谢谢。Bye bye.
好，拜拜。
Right now.
Now we need to hurry up because they are waiting
Oh,
for
okay.
us to move.
Sorry for making the entire group late.
That's
We have
Italian.
the famous Lizzie here.
Hey, hello everyone, I'm Lizzie and we have the famous Ponte here. Go
Okay.
follow him, I'll put his channel down here.
I will do the same. Down,
got
up,
Petrina,
right, and
yeah,
left.
same.
And then we do get Petrina.
We'll also put her channel down at the bottom.
And she used the magical 180 hours visa, 1 week visa, whatever did you use?
240 hours.
248 hour visa. Unbelievable. So spoiled.
Guys, is I'm actually on the trip with these two amazing YouTubers that you were just chatting to. So yeah, not just like I randomly walked into them in the street. We are here today.
Sorry, we were not
yeah.
meant to meet. Breaking my heart so easily.
Everything's meant to be. There's no coincidences in life.
Okay. So here we're still strolling around the village. You can see this little bridge going along the river. Here are all the houses where all the villagers live. As you can see, also in China, it's very, very common, like in Europe and in the Western world, that all the elderly people stay in the villages and the younger generation moved to the city to make money. That's the reality of life nowadays. What do you think about my haircut?